Hello guys, Karen Miller here once again. I just wanted to show you guys something very quickly because I wanted to do a pasta dish for my daughter. She asked for a pasta dish. So this is very quick. I have some butternut squash here that I cubed up and some red peppers and some sage here. This is the sage. And what I did was I threw this all on the sheet, the baking sheet. And I put some salt and some cayenne pepper and some grapeseed oil, and I mixed everything in, and I roasted this 400 degrees, and I roasted it for about 45 minutes. It took a while for this to be roasted because I wanted some color on this, you see, like this. So, and what I'm going to do is I have some fusilli pasta here that I boiled, right? So everybody knows how to boil pasta. Follow the directions on the box. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix some of the butternut squash and the roasted peppers. Here, this is good. So I'm going to mix this in with the pasta. This is really quick, guys. If you come home from work and you're tired, and you know, pastas are always easy, as you know. And that's it, guys. And now I'm going to put some shiitake bacon. I'm going to garnish it with some bacon and some. This gets really crispy when you roast it. The sage leaves. So you put everything in. It's like a one pot kind of dish. So as I was saying, I have some shiitake mushrooms here, also known as shiitake bacon, and you take it and you sprinkle on top of this. This is really good, guys. This is really good. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to melt some of my cheese and put it over this. Alright, so when I come back, I'm going to show you the cheese, what I do. So guys, I'm now going to pour my cheese on this. I melted some of my vegan cheese, and you just put some dots around here on the pasta, right? And the shiitake bacon. And this is so good, guys. This is so good. It's quick and it's easy. And I'm also going to sprinkle some walnuts on this. Alright? This is so good. It's quick. It's easy. You have everything in here. You have the pasta. You have the shiitake mushrooms, the butternut squash, the red peppers. You know, it's just so delicious. So try this, guys. It's quick and enjoy. Love you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care.